Hello students, today our topic is x square minus 16 is equal to 94 multiply 96 multiply 98 multiply 100. Find the value of x. Student, to solving this question, first of all take this minus 16 into the right side. Let x square is equal to 94.96.98.100, and this minus 16, when we take it to the right side of the equation, it will become plus 16. Now students, we take this 94 is equal to y. If this 94 is equal to y, then we make this 96 is equal to y plus 2, because there is a difference between 94 and 96 is 2. Now we write this 98 is equal to y plus 4, because there is a difference between 94 and 98 is 4. We add a 4 into y to become 98, and the difference between 94 and 100, we take this 100 as like y plus 6. We put these three substitution into the equation of 1. X square is equal to 94 is equal to y, and 96 is equal to y plus 2, and 98 is equal to y plus 4, and 100 is equal to y plus 6, and this positive 16. Now students, x square, we take this and this factor, like here y dot y plus 6, and these two factor become y plus 2 y plus 4 plus 16. Now students, we substitute these two factors, multiply this y into y plus 6, it will become y square plus 6y, and this y, when multiplied by both of these, it become y square plus 4y, and when we multiply by 2, it become 2y plus 8, positive 16. Now x square is equal to y square plus 6y, and this become y square 4, and plus 2y is equal to 6y plus 8 plus 16. These two factors are equal. We take this factor is equal to n, and any other variable like n, x, y, anything we put is equal to y square plus 6y. This is the equation first. Now y square plus 6y, and here y square plus 6y is equal to n. We put this n into this equation, and equation become n into n plus 8 plus 16. Now we multiply by these two by this n, which is equal to n square plus 8n plus 16. This become, now students, we make this factor like n square plus 4n plus 4n plus 16, because the product of this and this is product of this 16 and sum is equal to 8. So we substitute this factor 4n plus 4n. When we multiply both of these, it becomes 16, and when we add to each other, it becomes 8. So from here we take both of these is n as a common. This becomes n plus 4, and also from here we take a 4 common, and it becomes n plus 4. The factor n plus 4 is equal, so we take this as a common, and it becomes n plus 4, which is equal to x square. Now these two are same and multiply to each other, it becomes n plus 4 whole square. We take a square root on both sides, so it becomes x, and this becomes plus minus into n plus 4. Students, we have a value of n which is equal to y square plus 6y, and y is equal to 94. So we take this value of n and put into this equation. Plus minus y square plus 6y plus 4. Now from this, the value of y is 94. We write it 94 whole square plus 6, 94 plus 4, plus minus the square of 94 is 800, and when we multiply 94 by this 6, it becomes 594, and this is also plus 4. Now students, when we add these three values, this becomes plus minus 9404. This is the value of x. Now we have to check the value of x, is it correct or false. Now to check the value of x is true or false, we take equation first, which is equal to x square minus 16, and product of 94, 96, 98 and also 100. Students, we put the value of this x into equation, and our equation is value of x is 9,404 square minus 16. Students, the square of this is equal to 88,435,216, and this minus. When we take minus from this, it becomes 8,035,200, and we product 4 of these, it also become this. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the value of x is true. Please like and subscribe our channel.